I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you in my lesson. Today we're gonna draw a car. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Nanny Julie and like this video, and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. We can see roof, boot trunk, bonnet trunk, windows, doors, door handles, headlights, brake lights, and wheels. Let's look at the picture. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the wheels. Draw a line over here on the bottom of the paper. Draw a straight horizontal line in the middle, then arc to the right and another arc to the left. Okay, then another horizontal line to the left and to the right. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw a vertical line over here on the left side, then arc to the right and horizontal line that ends over here under this arc. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. Vertical line, then arc to the left and horizontal line that finish over here under this line. That's right, keep on trying. Then let's draw a big arc over here for roof. I start over here on the left side, go up and down and connect with this line. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw the wheels. I draw a circle over here on the left side, on the right side. Oh, I like your line. Keep on trying. Then another circle inside the first and the second. Then let's add a small circle inside on the left side and on the right side. Okay, then let's add two vertical lines over here, over here. Oh, I like your lines. Keep it up. Then two diagonal lines on the left side, to the up, to the down, and the same lines on the right side. Two lines to the up and two lines to the down. Let's draw the same lines on the right heel. To the up, to the down, then diagonal lines to the up and left, then to the up and right, then to the down and left, and to the down and right. Okay, that's right. Then let's draw the doors. Draw another big arc over here. That's the way, you're doing great. Now let's connect these ends. draw a long horizontal line. Okay, then let's draw a doors. We're gonna draw a line over here, straight line, then arc to the down, then the same thing on the right side. Then vertical line in the middle.
Don't give up, keep on trying.
This ends on the same level and let's connect them. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw a mirror. I draw an oval over here, then two straight vertical lines to the up. Now let's draw a window. I draw diagonal line, then horizontal line that connect with the mirror. Now let's draw horizontal line over here, then vertical line to the up and diagonal line that connects with this line. And let's draw another door.
If you need extra time, you can always pause the video.
Now let's draw another window. We're gonna draw a straight vertical line over here, then arc inside and connect them, then another arc, then draw another arc over here, comes down, draw an arc to the left and connects with this line. Draw another window over here, two curves and connect them. Two ovals over here and here for handles. Now we're gonna draw a headlight. Then we're gonna draw a headlight. Draw two arcs on the left side. Then we're gonna draw a radiator grille. Draw an arc over here under the headlight and connect with this line. And let's draw a horizontal lines inside. Now let's draw a tail light. Draw a horizontal line, then connect over here. Draw a horizontal line and arc to the right. Then C-shape on the right side over here. Now we're gonna draw a trunk. Draw a curve over here on the right side of car. And hood, the same thing on the left side.
That's the way you did it! I like your car! You could ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or another social networks. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. I will see your drawing and answer to share your message. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose blue for window. Try to stay inside the lines.
Sometimes I color too fast, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video.
Yellow for lights. then orange over here, and dark blue for car.
Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing car. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you, bye bye!